In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade Forex on Pocket Option. Now, this is very simple. First, you want to go to pocketoption.com and then you want to sign into your account or create one in case you don't have one yet. Then you can select if you want to use a real account or a demo account. And if you want to use a real account, first you'll have to basically top up and just deposit some money. So you can go to top up here, top right, and then you can just go through and deposit some funds on here. Now, once you've done this, you then have to go over here on the left and you want to click on trading, and over here you can select which account you want to trade with. If you want to trade with real money, quick trading real account is going to be the one for you, but of course for demo purposes you can use either quick trading demo account like this over here, which you will get 50k on, there we go, or you can use this over here where it says Forex and you have different demo accounts for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, okay? So you can of course click that as well if you want to. So Forex MT5 demo account, as you can see, that's how this looks like. But if you want a bit more convenient of an interface, you can of course go out here and you can trade the Forex just as well if you go to the quick trading demo account or the real account. So from here, once you're in this account, you can just click up here where it says the name of different coins, whatever it says for you. For me, it's Solana. Click on that. And you want to switch onto currencies, which is the first thing. And in here is, as you can see, all the different Forex you can trade on here. So these are currently available. As you can see, you can just swap between them. So let's say we're going to look for, I don't know, we're going to look for Euro. And then let's say, okay, or let's do Euro USD, okay? So you can click on that. It's gonna switch on the chart over here, and as you can see, you have Euro and USD. So this is basically Forex trading, and then you can set your time over here. We're gonna just do 5 seconds because this is, as you can see, it is the minimum. And then you're gonna do the amount, and you can just buy or sell whenever you want. So for example, let's say we're gonna just buy some right now. As you can see, in 5 seconds, this trade is gonna be initiated over here. There we go, and then whenever you want to, of course, sell, you can just put in the exact same amount, and you will have to click on sell. And then after you sell this, of course, after 5 seconds, you'll see you've successfully sold. So that's pretty much it. That's how to trade Forex on here. Of course, you can select between different currencies here on the left, and then you can just go ahead, use your trading strategy, and trade your Forex on Pocket Options. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.